What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here and welcome to the next episode in this Progressive Trance series where I'm going to be making a track from start to finish. In this episode I'll be going over each element such as your clap, hi-hats, rides, shakers, snares and other unique percussion hits. I'll be delving into which type of sound will work with your track and why. I'll be showing you how to create atmosphere and movement with your percussion and showing you how different delays can create different grooves to suit your other elements. I'll also be showing you how to create unique delays and reverb techniques for your percussion hits and snares. And I'll also be going over how to tune, pan, EQ, effect and set your levels. And most importantly, I'll be explaining why I'm doing what I'm doing. So if you want to take your percussion to a new level, go grab your copy now at allanmorrowstudios.com.